Hello, this is the wise owl to coming at you from the sea where I live. In studying and memorizing the chemical symbols and atomic numbers of the periodic table of elements, which I've been doing for years, looking for ways to retain it and memorize it, to retain it mentally and try to bring it up anytime I want to memorization. I try to look for methods to do so, easier methods for me to retain it. And I discovered many ways, many mnemonic devices I use. However, in the beginning, I have a lot of difficulties like anybody else. I was green, I was new to the periodic table of elements, and it was harder for me to retain everything I saw on the periodic table. Chemical symbols, atomic numbers, atomic mass, orbits, stuff like that. But I discovered that as time went on, and as I keep doing my studies, you have to keep studying all the time. You get to have better ways to remember things, and so I did. I used people's names, their middle names or initials, and the last names, in order to remember the periodic table of elements, the chemical symbols, and atomic number and atomic mass. Here, for example, I want to use the atomic number and the chemical symbols. Here's a good way to remember them through names. So let's take the name Bryce, capital B-R-Y-C-E. We got the capital B-R, and that's for bromine. B, capital B, R-O-M-I-N-E, bromine. Okay? Bromine has the atomic number of 35. Now, bromine at room temperature is liquid. Okay? Just look at the periodic table of elements. You see it for yourself. Okay? Then you got the Y, capital Y, with atomic number of 39, and Y is for yttrium. Capital Y, T-T-R-I-U-M. Then we got the capital C and the small e for cerium. Capital C-E-R-I-U-M with atomic number of 58. And you got the name Bryce. Bryce. Is your name Bryce? Do you know anybody named Bryce? Well, you can use that name to remember chemical symbols and atomic numbers. How about Kline? Kline. K-L-I-N-E. We got a capital K with an atomic number of 19 for potassium. Okay? Capital P-O-T-A-S-S-I-U-M. Be careful. Potassium begins with a capital P, but the chemical symbol is a capital K. All right? So capital K for potassium, atomic number of 19. Then we got the Li. I took the L from Kline, I capitalized it right here with a small I. Capital L and a small I is the chemical symbol for lithium. Lithium, okay? It has to be a capital L. Yeah, I got it right here, capital L. Yeah, I see it right here. I forgot that little part there. Here it is. Capital L-I-T-H-U-M. Lithium. Capital L-I-T-H-I-U-M. And that atomic number for that is 3. Go to your periodic table of elements and look under number 3, and you see lithium. Capital L-I. L-I. And then you got N and E for neon. Now, see here, I made a mistake here. This is a neon. Here is written the right way, but here it's got to be a capital N. Capital N and a small e. That's how it has to be written on the periodic table of elements the correct way. And you have a small e right there for neon. Neon is number 10, atomic number number 10, and neon is also a noble gas. Okay, it's noble gas. And if you go to the periodic table of elements and look at the Ne, or number 10, you see it's noble gas. You see a noble gas row. A whole row of noble gases, and that's Ne, neon. And that's spelled capital N-E-O-N. Capital N-E-O-N. And you got the name Kline. K-L-I-N-E. Then you got the name Russ. Capital R-U-S-S. Russ, we got a capital R and a U with atomic number 44. Now, capital RU is for Ruthenium, the element's name of Ruthenium. capital Ruthenium, okay? This is the chemical symbol, this is the atomic number, and this is the element's name, ruthenium, all right? And that's 44, atomic number. If you go to the periodic table of elements, you go to number 44. You see capital Ru for ruthenium. Now, if you have an S, you got two S's here. Okay, each S is a capital S atomic symbol for sulfur. That's why I have it here and I have it here twice. Capital S is sulfur. Capital SULFUR, sulfur. Okay, and that's 16 atomic number, and here you have it twice. Okay, for the name Russ. Then you got the name paige, P-A, capital P-A-I-G-E. You got a capital P-A with atomic number of atomic number of 91. Capital P-A, atomic number 91, and that's for Protactinium. Protactinium. Capital Protactinium. Okay? 91 atomic number. Then you got a capital I. I took the small I in the name page, and I capitalize it. Capital I is the chemical symbol for iodine. Capital I-O-D-I-N-E. And that has the chemical symbol, the atomic number of 53. 53. You remember iodine? You see it in salt. When you use salt, the cooking salt, you see it. Sometimes salt has it, and sometimes it doesn't. But when it does have it, it's written underneath it that it contains the iodine. Okay, but iodine. Okay, you need it for your thyroid gland. Yeah. There's a different time. I'll write about that in the future, about iodine. I'll write something about it in the future. Okay, in the thyroid gland. Okay, then you got capital G and a small e for germanium. Germanium is spelled capital Germanium. Capital Germanium. And that has the atomic number of 32. There you go, okay? All these names. You got Bryce, Kline, Russ, and Paige, all right? This is why it's out to coming at you from the sea where I live. Excuse me, it's hard to say that name sometimes. Go to the description box below. There you go, very slowly, right? And I have it written down there again. Just like you see here. I'll write it down for you again, okay? You see Kline? You can write Kline a different way too. See Kline? You see get the L-I, right? But you don't have to use that really sometimes, okay? But that's some other time I explain that. Okay? All right, this is why it's out to come at you from the sea where I live. Over and out. Bye-bye.